Hey, good evening, everybody. I am Chuck Rogers, licensed professional counselor and licensed marriage and family therapist.
And I'm Keith Dunn, and I'm a network engineer,
And together we are Tabletop Coffee.
where we are bold and never, ever bitter.
And tonight we continue our marriage killing series by saying if you really want to kill your marriage, make sure and never ever date your spouse. Stay tuned and we'll talk about it.
This is a good one.
It is because, I think we oftentimes take our spouse for granted.
It's so easy to do it. I mean, we've talked about it so many times.
And you and I have been married for like ever.
Yeah.
Not together.
No, but we do have birthdays together.
Yes, we do.
And that's coming up here before too long.
Yeah, we won't tell when that is.
No, we will not tell when that's coming up.
But I've been married for 38 years almost, and
Oh my goodness.
been with Kim for almost 42. We were dating for 4 years before that, and you guys been married for
33 years.
so
Yeah.
a couple of old married guys.
Yeah. But we've stuck in there and worked through the hard times and sometimes use these techniques and sometimes just completely blow it.
We try really hard to practice what we preach, though. We do.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, but earlier in marriage, it wasn't as easy, at least for me.
Yeah, and you didn't know for sure what it was you were supposed to do. You didn't know for sure what you were not supposed to do. But because of research now, we do know what makes for happy couples, the master couples.
Yeah, that's right.
So what's one of the things that master couples do?
One of the things that master couples do is, well, if we're talking about what we're talking about tonight, that is look at what the other person needs. And in this case, Lisa loves to go out on dates.
Ooh.
So that's something that we try to do every week or every couple of weeks. Try to do something special out of the ordinary. It's not just ordering food in. We try and go out and do something together.
So she's not so okay with just having a date at home.
No, she likes to do something different because she works at home and stays at home a lot, and it means something to her to get out of the house. I really do think at times even going to somewhere like Sam's and getting a chicken pot pie or something like that to take home is part of a date to her. It's just getting out and doing something.
Yeah, so what you're talking about is what matters to her, what matters to you.
Right.
Because master couples make decisions I don't like, they make decisions you don't like, but they report happiness in the relationship.
Sure.
And to some people, I've had some couples who part of their mindful rituals of connection is that they would go to have breakfast at one of the all-you-can-eat breakfast places. Used to be Shoney's, years
That's
ago.
right.
And what was the other one that's on Wards Road?
Oh, I don't even know. Do they have any place like that?
Can't think of it right
Golden
now.
Corral.
It was Golden Corral.
Yeah, Golden Corral.
Had a
had
couple
that.
who would love to come in, go to Golden Corral for
Yeah.
breakfast, and then they would go shopping over at Sam's Club. They would go home, and this was a mindful ritual of connection that they looked forward to, enjoyed the event, they had good memories of it, and looked forward to the next time. However, for some people, they would go, oh, Golden Corral, oh, Sam's Club. That would not be a date for them.
Right.
And some people staying at home is a date. We're going to have a nice date in. But for Lisa, that doesn't work. And so you can't have your dates be something at home if your wife is not looking forward to that. So not too long ago, I get these things in my email all the time. I encourage people to sign up for them on Gottman.com. And you can get on what they call the Marriage Minute.
Oh.
And they had this topic come up about dating your spouse. And the particular email that we got is called Non-Boring Date Ideas. But I don't really think that's a good topic because to some people, these dates would be yawners. And to other people, they would be wonderful. So I thought, what if we would go through these tonight and just take some time and just read through these date ideas? Because it's a big deal for some people, and it creates a lot of anxiety for others. To you and me, Lynchburg is, not a major metropolis, but it's not a small town. I mean, I'm from DeFord, population 52 houses, right? So Lynchburg is huge to me, but it's much bigger than when you grew up here.
Yeah, I grew up in Lynchburg, and there's a lot more to do here now than there was when I was growing up, but I had plenty of things to do.
Yeah, but I've had couples who will talk about literally becoming anxious. The guy says, I physically become anxious inside
Right.
when it's my turn to plan the date because he says, I know of nothing to possibly do in Lynchburg.
And there's so many little things that you can do.
Yeah, so let's just go ahead and take some time and read through this list and see if these things ring true for anybody, any Lynchburgers or people around the country or around the world.
Yeah.
How about this one? Take a class together.
Yeah. Attend a musical or a play.
Plan the tried and true dinner date. Get all dressed up and go out on the town.
Visit your local arcade.
Go wine, beer, or liquor tasting.
Check out a museum or an art gallery.
Visit a karaoke bar and sing your hearts out.
Try a nostalgic activity like roller skating.
Laser tag or ice skating.
Yeah, I don't know. I might break something on that one.
Have a cozy stay-in and watch a movie date complete with popcorn and candy.
Yeah, I like that. Play a board game or two at home.
Spend all day at home completely naked.
Okay, I'm adding that to the list. Make a time capsule together and open next year.
Go low-key and pick up your favorite fast food or takeout.
Write love letters to each other and read them together.
Cook a meal together. Heart-shaped pizza, anyone?
Have a spa night and give each other massages. Try out some body oils and candles.
There you go. Take an online mixology or cooking class together.
Set up an at-home scavenger hunt for your partner.
Play our new Gottman Game of Hearts. Watch out for the Queen of Hearts.
Ooh, I have not played that. I'm going to have to take a look at that. Stargaze together in the backyard or on the rooftop.
Go skydiving.
That is one I will not do. Do an escape room challenge together.
Take flying lessons and learn how to fly a plane together.
That's fun. Go horseback riding.
Take a vacation, whether it's to another country, a few hours away, or a staycation.
Learn how to rock climb.
Windsurf or paraglide. Go on a hot air balloon ride.
Recreate your first date.
Do a hike you've never done before and camp out under the stars.
Visit a national park, hot spring, or another natural attraction.
So all those ideas that came through on the email, I bet that there
Yeah.
are some of those that some people would really enjoy.
Yeah, Lisa and I have done probably 50% of these.
Yeah, you guys are pretty active folks.
We really are. So I think that we're probably at least 50% into that one.
Yeah, and see, Kim and I are pretty stay-at-home people, and it
Sure.
works for us, at
Right.
least at this season of life. So you've got to do what works for the couple.
Yeah, that's right.
Quiz time. How much time are couples supposed to spend together per week?
5.5 hours or 6.
Yeah, 5.5 hours, somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Hey, I hope you liked our content. If you did, would you please subscribe, because Keith would really appreciate that.
Yeah, and ding that bell so you're notified of upcoming episodes that we release. And also, with this list, what do you think about it?
That's a great idea.
What are you doing with your spouse? Do you go out on dates? What are some dates? Put them in the comments below so people who are looking for something to do can look at that list and say, oh, I never thought of that before.
Yeah, make sure to like it.
Yeah, share it with your friends.
Thanks, everyone.
Until next time.